Guten Tag, Leute, und willkommen zurück. Hello everyone and welcome back. Wir haben gerade Kroko besiegt und Malos Münze wiederbekommen. We've just beat Kroko and got Malos coin back, so we'll head back to the Mushroom Kingdom. Aber etwas komisch passiert hier. But something strange is going on here. It seems to have been overrun by these Gauner. Okay, so a Gauner is like a villain, a rascal, some sort of bad dude. And it looks like we're gonna have to defeat them. Wir müssen die besiegen und die Leute retten. We gotta save the people, den Schwammelreich zu befreien, in order to free the Mushroom Kingdom. Okay. Sehr schön. Danke, Mario. So, thank you, Mario. Ich werde weiter Ausschau halten, aber jetzt ist jeder verdächtig. So, thank you, Mario. I'm gonna keep watch again. Ausschau, schau is like to look, and aus is out, so Ausschau is like to look around, you know, to look out. But now everyone is suspicious. By the way, nebenbei, das habe ich gefunden. I found this. 10 Münzen erhalten, 10 coins received. Ah, toll. Okay, Itemladen, the item shop. Bitte lassen Sie genügend Geld für Items hier. So please leave enough money for items here. Der Inhaber, the owner. Okay, do we want to buy anything? Wollen wir etwas kaufen? Sure, some Pilze, mushrooms, honey syrups, Honigsirupe, and a little bit of Hilf mir rauf. Just a little bit of healing items to make life a little easier. Okay, helfen wir dem alten Mann. Let's help the old dude. The old man. Sprung. Ja, immer stark, always powerful. Und Malo, immer schwach, always weak. So we'll just have him defend. Almost not worth having him attack. Okay. Und das war verdammt knapp. That was damn close, he says. Trotzdem vielen Dank, Mario. But regardless, many thanks, Mario. Hey, das ist die Brieftasche, die das Krokodil mir geklaut hat. Hey, that's the Brieftasche, the letter pocket. Or he's got to be talking about the wallet. But a Brief is a letter and a Tasche is a pocket. Das ist die Brieftasche, die das Krokodil mir geklaut hat. So that's the thing that the crocodile took from me. Kann ich sie zurückhaben? Can I have it back? Sicher? Surely? Or nix da? Not at all. Nothing. We'll say sicher. Give him it back. Vielen Dank. Hier, ich gebe dir das als Belohnung. Thank you. I'll give you this to you as a reward. Komm schon, nimm es ruhig. Come on, take it nicely, take it calmly. And we got a Blumenanhang. Gonna use one of those right now. Actually, we use the Blumenstoß, which erhöht Blumenpunkte 3. So it raises our flower points by 3, which is pretty awesome. And it gives us all of them back. Draußen ist es schaurig, also spielen wir drinnen, okay? Outside it's scary, so we're gonna play inside, okay? Schön zu sehen, wie viel Spaß die Jungen haben. Oh, it's beautiful to see how much fun the kids are having. I wonder if he's senile. Aber ich will draußen spielen, but I want to play outside. Yep. A little bit of fighting fire with fire, or jump with jump. Feuer mit Feuer. Sprung. Abwehr und Sprung. Noch einmal. Noch einmal means again. Or one more time. Okay. Just 1 point. Just 1 point. Yeah, we'll do HP. See who's in here. Oh, Raz and Rainy. Ja, sie hat recht. Warten wir besser, bis es draußen etwas ruhiger wird. Yeah, she's right. Warten wir besser. We'd better wait. Besser is better. Bis es draußen etwas ruhiger wird. Until it is a little bit calmer outside. Ich habe den perfekten Platz zum Heiraten gefunden. I have the perfect place for our marriage found. Aber jetzt ist es zu gefährlich. But now it's too dangerous. Poor Raz and Rainy. Oh. Schau, schreckliche Dings. Mach was. Look, scary things. Do something. Das ist etwas in unserer Küche. Hilfe. There's something in our kitchen. Help. Let's see, can I talk to the little guy? Hoffentlich geht es meinem Bruder gut. Hopefully, it's going okay for my brother. Okay. To the rescue. Sprung. And Sprung. Use another one of these bloomin' dinks. Can fight this guy. Now we'll see if that family's any less scared now. Danke, Mario. Thank you, Mario. Mein Sohn ist noch oben. My son is upstairs still. Oops. Ich habe ihn komplett vergessen. Oh, I completely forgot about him. Schade. That's a shame. Ich mache mir echt Sorgen meinen Sohn. So I'm really worried about my son. Literally, ich mache mir, I make to or for myself, echt, really, Sorgen, worries, meinen Sohn, about my son. So I for real make myself worried about my son. Hoffentlich geht es meinem Bruder gut. Hopefully, things are good with my brother. Yeah, you already said that. Das hast du schon gesagt. Ich habe Angst. I'm scared. I have fear. I have angst. Und was sagst du? What are you gonna say? Boing, boing, boing. Kann der springen? Oh, can he jump? And we'll jump on him. So no fear at all from that little guy. He's finally found someone to match his enthusiasm for jumping. These guys who are half pogo stick. But not even they can hold a candle to Mario's jumping. So. Got a Honigsirup. Wirklich vielen Dank für alles. Really, many thanks for everything. Alles is like it's cognate with our word all. Means all or sometimes everything. Hier als kleines Zeichen meiner Anerkennung. Here is a small sign of my appreciation. Blumenanhang erhalten. Nice, got another one of those things that gives us 3 points. Du wirst wie Mario, hörst du? You're gonna be like Mario, you hear? Juhu! Ich kann am höchsten springen. I can jump the highest. Okay, danke, dass du meinen Bruder gerettet hast. Thank you for saving my brother. Danke, Mario. Thank you, Mario. Danke, Mario. Didn't mean to run into that guy, but it's okay. Just getting a little bit of experience. Ein bisschen Erfahrung. Sauger. A sauger, it comes from the word meaning to suck, saugen. So I think in English that's drain, and here it's sauger, so a thing that sucks, a thing that drains. Oh, wow. She doesn't seem worried in the slightest. I should have used that Blumenanhang. I'll get that later. Marlowe's attacks are quite worthless. Okay, 2 down, only 1 to go. Using sauger again. Interesting place that the word sauger you get. So a vacuum cleaner is a Staubsauger. And Staub means dust, and Sauger means sucker. So a Staubsauger, a dust sucker. And that's what a vacuum cleaner is. Okay. Gonna use that Blumenanhang. Get all our flower points back. Hey Mario, schau mal, wo du drin stehst. Hey Mario, look where you're standing. Reingelegt. Zeig, gotcha. Just as funny as the first time. Bleibst du für eine Nacht? Kostet dich nur 3 Münzen? Nein, danke. Do you want to stay the night? Only costs 3 coins. We'll say no. We just barely got our flower points back, so we don't need it. Wurde die Prinzessin von diesen Dingen da draußen entführt? Was the princess kidnapped by these things out there? Sind sie Teil davon? Are they a part of it? A little kid playing a Game Boy or something. Sei leise, be quiet. Sei leise, be quiet. Rede nicht mit mir, don't talk with me. Jetzt habe ich wegen dir verloren. Now I lost because of you. Rede nicht mit mir, okay. We'll leave him alone. Siehste? Ich bin wach, sieh, I am awake. Jetzt werde ich hoffentlich viel gewinnen. Yes, now I'll hopefully win a lot. Yeah. Says the same thing over again. Okay, und damit sind wir fertig in der Stadt. And with that, we're done in the city. Und wir sind bereit, zum Schloss zu gehen. Ready to go to the castle. Und das machen wir nächstes Mal. We'll do that next time. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen. Thanks for watching. Wir sehen uns bald. Tschüss.